Hey everyone, and welcome back. Let's talk about something most of us dread: the dentist. Specifically, tooth replacement. The current solution involves invasive surgery, implanting a titanium screw into your jaw, and months of waiting before you get a crown. It's tough. But what if I told you that scientists are racing to make this ancient fear obsolete by simply growing a brand new biological tooth? This is the incredible new frontier of regenerative dentistry, and the progress is moving fast. Our story begins with Dr. Angelova Volponi at King's College London, a pioneer who, over a decade ago, achieved a major milestone: growing a tooth using adult human gum cells combined with tooth progenitor cells from a mouse embryo. Dr. Volponi describes the process as a tripod, the two cell types engaging in a conversation, and the environment where it all happens, the scaffold. In her latest breakthrough, she refined this scaffold, moving from a collagen protein to a hydrogel. This high water content polymer much better mimics the natural environment of the mouth, enhancing the cellular conversation. After about 8 days in this hydrogel, tooth primordia, or small tooth-like structures, begin to form. The reason this is revolutionary is simple. A biological tooth grown from your own cells offers tremendous advantages over an implant. It would be accepted into your tissue without inflammation or rejection, and critically, it would feel exactly like a real tooth. Traditional implants are fused to the bone, lacking the elasticity and natural feeling of a real tooth's ligament and nerve structure. While replacing the embryonic mouse cells with adult human cells remains the main puzzle, Dr. Volponi sees two possibilities for the future: either embedding a partially grown tooth into the socket to complete its growth naturally, or fully growing the tooth in the lab before a surgical implant. Importantly, this is a global race. While Volponi focuses on the environment, other brilliant minds are taking different approaches. In Osaka, Japan, Katsu Takahashi's team is developing an antibody treatment to promote tooth growth in people with congenital tooth loss. This treatment is already in human clinical trials and could be ready by the end of the decade. At the University of Washington, a team is working to generate the key human tooth-forming cell types from scratch, using stem cells found in wisdom teeth. All this momentum points to one thing. According to researchers like Hanela Ruahola Baker, biological tooth repair or replacement is poised to become a realistic option within the coming decade. The future of dentistry is not about repairing what's broken, but regenerating what's been lost. This is truly the decade of biological breakthroughs. What do you think about the possibility of growing your own teeth? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this dive into regenerative dentistry fascinating, please like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the science that's changing our world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.